I became a lawyer because I really felt a compelling need to help people. Our system is imperfect. We want our clients to feel vindicated. By helping them take on these large corporations, we give them that sense of power and we give them that sense of control. Our goal is to eliminate discrimination and retaliation in the workplace. And we do it one client at a time.
Employment disputes can impact a worker's life tremendously. Work is more than just a job. For many people, it's their identity. We understand what they're going through. We can help them. There is light at the end of the tunnel.
I was a high performer in my job, and I found myself in a situation where I was being characterized as otherwise. I was under a lot of pressure, felt I was being forced to leave, and I really needed help in figuring out how to resolve things. That's when I reached out and found Dan Ross. From the very first meeting, it was awesome. I was immediately impressed with his ability to listen. Until I talked to Dan, I didn't feel that I'd been understood in terms of the issues I was facing. He really helped get to the heart of what was going on pretty quickly. The firm helped me resolve my issues. It allowed me to move on with my life, move into a different role at a different company. I would use them again in a heartbeat.
I've been in my particular business for a little over 25 years and had managed to work my way up to where I was the chief marketing officer and senior vice president for the company I was working for. And, I had this gut feeling that they were planning to terminate me. So I set my initial meeting with Dan and Charles, and together we all began to put together a strategy with some tactics that we could implement should I get terminated. And lo and behold, that's what happened. These guys had a plan, they worked their plan, and by the end of the day, I ended up with over 3 times the original settlement that the company was going to offer me. So I'm extremely glad that I found Dan and Charles, and I'd recommend it to anybody.
Before I went to law school, I had businesses. And at one point, I had some trouble in a business, and I became very worried. I finally went to see a lawyer, and within 30 minutes, I felt like a huge weight had been lifted off my shoulders. And I want to give that feeling to all of my clients who come in here.